Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech, tools, and trends that make our lives easier, especially when it comes to coding and collaboration. Today, we're unpacking some exciting features from GitHub, a platform that, let's be honest, has really changed the way developers work together. Let's start with the core of GitHub. You know, when you think of GitHub, what probably comes to mind first is code, right? But it's so much more than that. It's an ecosystem designed to empower developers and teams to work more efficiently and effectively. For example, you've got GitHub Copilot. It's like having a coding buddy who can suggest lines of code or even entire functions while you're writing. Imagine how much time that saves. It's kind of like pairing up with an AI copilot, pun absolutely intended. And then there's GitHub Advanced Security. Whoa. This is a game changer. Developers often worry about vulnerabilities slipping through in their code. Well, this feature finds and fixes those issues, making your code not just functional, but secure as well. Picture this. You're working late, and that feeling of dread kicks in because you're not sure if your code is secure. Now you can rest easy knowing that Advanced Security is scanning your work and keeping vulnerabilities at bay. Pretty neat, right? Speaking of neat, let's chat about GitHub Actions. Automating workflows is a buzzword we hear a lot these days, but GitHub Actions makes it super accessible. You can set up your project so that upon each push, tests run automatically, deployments happen seamlessly, or even scripts are executed without lifting a finger. How cool is it to just let the tools work for you while you sip your coffee? Now, here's a thought-provoking question for you. How often do we actually think about code reviews? It's an essential part of development. It's about improving code quality and collaborating more. GitHub has code review tools that simplify this process. It's about not just managing changes, but also fostering discussions, which is super critical when you're part of a big team. Think of it like a digital roundtable where everyone can contribute their thoughts. And then there's the feature I love the most, discussions. It's like a casual chat, but for serious topics. Instead of hunting through code comments or issues, you can have open conversations, brainstorming sessions, or even debates right there on GitHub. Imagine bringing people who are excited about the same project into one virtual space to collaborate without the formalities. It's all about building a community. Now let's not forget about GitHub Sponsors, which is this amazing initiative where developers can fund their favorite open source projects or contributors. This really brings an opportunity for creators to thrive, ensuring that innovation in the open source community never dies, a true testament to the collaborative spirit of development. As we wrap up today's episode, think about how these tools can transform your coding practices. GitHub isn't just a place to store code. It's a platform where collaboration can flourish, which ultimately leads to better software and stronger communities. So what do you think? Are there features you're particularly excited about, or perhaps ones you've already been using to improve your workflows? Keep those thoughts brewing, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed the episode, please share it with your fellow coders and curious minds. Until next time, keep coding and collaborating.